Hi everyone, it's Stephanie from Showpony and we are here at Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week in Berlin with Johan Matti, who is the style and cutting master for Kevin Murphy. So first of all, we're just going to start by talking about where did you guys get the inspiration for the look today?
Yeah, so basically the whole inspiration for the look is very structural. It needs to be very formed. We're thinking about tight silhouettes to complement the outfits of the show today. And one of the most important things for the look is a very strong baseline. So we just wanted to add in some wefts from Showpony to really reinforce the baseline of the hair. Basically what we wanted to have is like a very tight form fitting from the front as well. So it kind of looks a bit masculine from the front, but then also you can see the long, very strong hair from the back. So it's just kind of that juxtaposition of that setting in the hair.
We're here with Peter Van Hamel and we've been creating some fantastic looks backstage. So I really wanted to talk about probably the best look I think that we've seen at Fashion Week, I think really ever, because it's really unique. It's the short bob that we did. Yeah. I just wanted to talk a little bit about that look and how you achieved it.
We had like this really straight blonde box bob, but we actually needed a lot more. It was really fine textured, so we needed a lot of hair. So we added the 11 AI from Showpony, so to build up the volume through here. And we used it, we're using a single-sided taping. So, and just to give it a bit more fullness and dimension into the hair, which was actually a really beautiful result.
I think it's so good because normally we're doing lots of long hair, but it was really cool to show, lots of different options using extensions backstage. So it was really cool to see.